welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Face, and thank you so much for stopping by, as you will be hanging out with me in the kitchen today as I put together my one pot meal. Yes, I will be creating a chicken and rice casserole using only a few items. About 10 minutes of prep time, 30 minutes of cook time or less, depending upon your oven, and you will have a delicious meal. So you guys, I thank you so much for stopping by. Continue to watch and hang with me as I put this meal together. Thank you so much. If you're new, welcome. And if you've been here before, then you guys already know that you're welcome, loved, and appreciated. So continue to journey with me. Okay, you guys, these are the items that I will be using to make my chicken and rice casserole. We have this chicken breast here, Purdue, 2 cups of long grain rice. Now I have 2 cups of long grain rice, but I think I could have gotten away with 1.5 cups. Saute the onion, 1 can of cream of celery, 1 can of water chestnuts, green beans. I will rinse those off. 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 bag of mild cheddar. You can use sharp cheddar if you choose to. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cook my chicken, because I like to have a little a hint of brown. I just like my chicken to be brown just a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and cook my chicken and saute my onion, and then I will mix everything into my mixing bowl here. So here, you guys, is the Easy Grip mixing bowl that I purchased from Amazon. It is a 4-quart size in the color of yellow. Also, I have these gold measuring cups and spoon set. They are stainless steel with the silicone grip handles. Now you guys know that I love my kitchen gadgets, and especially when they are durable and pretty. Now these, you can open that ring and you can easily slide them off depending upon which one you're ready to use. I love them. They are so cute and so durable. Love, love, love. I will leave in my description box below the link to both items that I picked up from Amazon. So you guys, the host for this challenge is Creatively MsMe with Stephanie. Over at Stephanie's channel, you will find her doing tablescapes, thrifting, organization, shopping for bargains, and even may find her doing a little makeup. And her co-host, Juani, over at Juanis House. Over at Juanis House, you may find her doing a fashion haul. You may see her doing some home decor. You may even see her out shopping. So these 2 ladies, I love them dearly. So please go over and visit their channels. I will leave their information in my description box below, along with the playlist link of all of the other creators. Please go over and shower everybody with love. These are the water chestnuts. I'm just chopping them up and getting them ready for the mixture. So here, you guys, I have my green beans already in my mixing bowl. I'm going to add the water chestnuts, and then I will add my onion, my mayonnaise, and my celery soup mix. I will give that a stir, and then I will continue to add the rest of the ingredients in just a little bit. So here, you guys, is the chicken that I have given it a nice little tan, and then what I will do with it is pull it apart. Now I cook the chicken breast in the same pan that I used to saute my onion. And my onion I sauteed with butter. So you get that nice little flavor left from the onion that were sauteed into the chicken. And I am going to do now is just pull this chicken apart and add it into the mixture of all of the other ingredients. So you guys continue to watch as I continue to put this together. So as you can see, the consistency of my mixture, not too runny, not too stiff, but I think it's just perfect. And so what I'll do is just put it in the oven, add some more cheese on top just to give it that beautiful golden top with the cheese, and then she should be ready to eat.
Just like shining star, 서로 바라보는 이곳. I will always by your side. Sunny day, you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고. With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳. I've been waiting for a love like this. So 기분 좋은 바람 불어와. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 감싸고. With you by my side. 지금 이 순간 서로가 마주하는 지금. I can see you through a little far away. 이게 철이 지난데도 내 진심을 내게 전할 수 있게 나의 품에 가득 안고 고백할 거야. You will always be my everything to me. Because I'm here to give my heart to you. Yeah. Saram dum 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 saram dum dum da 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 da. Everything is so right. 서로가 마주하는 이곳. We've been waiting for a love.
Hey guys, being that it's Black History Month, and this is my rice of choice, Uncle Ben's rice. Now, Uncle Ben was an African-American rice grower known for the quality of his rice. His name was Gordon L. Harwell, an entrepreneur who had supplied rice to the armed forces in World War II. He chose the name Uncle Ben's as a means to expand his marketing efforts to the general public. Being that it's Black History Month, I thought it was only fair to pay homage to Mr. Gordon L. Harwell, known as Uncle Ben's.
You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고.
Hey guys, thank you all so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. Don't forget to go by and check out the host as well as the co-host, as their information is in my description box below. Also, the playlist link of all of the other creators. Go by, shower everyone with love. I appreciate you all so much for stopping by. Be blessed until we see you again. Thank you so very much.